Often assets within businesses are used for both business and personal uses. So what can you claim tax relief on? Well, it's only the proportion of business use of these assets that can be deducted as an allowable expense. So as an example, Julie's a self-employed beautician. She uses a mobile phone for both private use and business-related calls to contact clients. For the tax year, phone bill was £520. 60% of these calls were used for contact with clients and 40% were personal. So when calculating allowable expenses, Julie can claim 60%, i.e. £312 for business use. Then there are capital allowances on business assets. Again, only the proportion of the asset that's used for the business can be claimed. So again, another example would be Dan's a self-employed electrician. In his first year of trading, he purchased a brand new car costing £15,000. It's got CO2 emissions 110 grams per kilometre, and the car's used 75% for business use. Now the car's placed into a single asset pool as it's a dual purpose usage, and he can have a capital allowance on that of 18%. So in the first year, he gets a capital allowance of £2,700, or 18% of the 15 grand, but only 75% of this is allowed for the business. So the capital allowances in year one is £2,025, or 75% of the 2,700. And then there's working from home. If you operate your business from home, you can deduct certain expenses that relate to business use. So these can include the phone, internet, electricity, gas, council tax, and the cleaning costs. All the costs must be apportioned into business use at a reasonable rate. Or you could use the simplified expenses. These allow you to claim deductions on expenses used at home for work purposes and mileage costs at a flat rate, i.e. instead of keeping the receipts and working out business proportions. You can only do this if you haven't already claimed capital allowances, but it saves you having to keep detailed records of expenses and estimating that business usage, which is particularly difficult in your home. In summary, it comes down to common sense. Is it really for the business? And if it's part personal, how much should really relate to the business? As the name suggests, the simplified expenses can be simplest, but it's worth making sure you're getting the best deal. So if in doubt, ask an expert. That's what we're here for.